Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set a custom chat wallpaper on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings and customization options. From here, you'll see several options appear on your screen. Tap on Appearance. This is where Signal lets you personalize the visual aspects of your app, including themes, colors, and wallpapers to match your style and preferences. Next, tap on Chat Color and Wallpaper. This option gives you complete control over how your chat backgrounds look, allowing you to either choose preset designs or upload your own custom images to make your conversations truly unique. Now tap on Set Wallpaper. This is where the customization process really begins, and you'll get to choose exactly what kind of background you want for your chats. At this point, you'll notice two options available: custom wallpaper or presets. The presets option offers a variety of pre-designed wallpapers created by Signal, while custom wallpaper lets you use any image from your personal gallery. For this example, we'll tap on Choose from Photos, but feel free to explore the presets if you prefer a ready-made design. Once you tap Choose from Photos, your device's gallery will open up, displaying all your saved images. Take your time browsing through your photos and tap on the image you'd like to use as your new chat wallpaper. This could be anything from a favorite photo, a scenic landscape, or any design that you enjoy looking at. After selecting your preferred image, you'll see a preview of how it will look as your chat background. If you're happy with your choice, tap Set Wallpaper at the bottom of the screen. This will apply your custom image as the wallpaper for all your Signal chats, giving your messaging experience a personalized touch. And that's it, you've successfully customized your Signal chat wallpaper with your own image. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.